Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Reese number V138D. This is a vinyl top threshold. A lot of people also use these as a door bottom as well, but threshold is very common. Now, where you're going to see something like this will be in a lot of different applications, especially those where what you're really looking to achieve is a very small sort of presence underneath the door. You don't want to take up a lot of room in the width. You may not have a lot of room to work with. You might have a very narrow existing sill, or again, you're going to put that down to the bottom of your door and use it as a door bottom. I've also seen people use these as astragals as well, but this is classified from Reese as a threshold, so your orientation will look more like that. The vinyl I have inserted into it. There are holes that have been drilled in the back side. The vinyl will come loose, and it's simply a matter of sliding it in. You've got some holes that are countersunk there. You'll get that slid in. Okay. Now, there is an image below this video showing the important dimensional properties of the item, and let's go over that now. Okay, here we go. From the image that you see below the video, you've got 1 3/8" as the overall width. Okay, you have a total height of 1/2 inch. And then you have a height of the vinyl itself at 1/4 inch, and that all matches up really well. The part number V138 is representative of this profile with the aluminum extrusion and the inserted piece of vinyl. The V in the part number infers vinyl. The D in the part number means dark bronze anodized. So should this item be something that is going to be exposed like a threshold would be, you will have your option of considering the A finish or the D finish. Now the A finish, I want to be sure if it's, I'm sure that it's clear anodized, but let's be sure of that before I say that it's clear. It's a mill finish. It's not clear anodized. It's just mill aluminum. That would be the other option. V138A would be a mill finish aluminum. Available in lots of different lengths. Everywhere from 2 foot out to 8 foot will be typical and common to see in the website. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces, and simply indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. Okay. That will save you the trouble of not only trimming it, but potentially drilling and countersinking another hole. That may not be a big deal for you, but it might be a challenge to drill and countersink. You're going to want to countersink that hole so that you can slide the item over the screws that are included, which happen to be in a complementary finish. They're completely concealed, so it's not necessary that they're in a complementary finish, but nonetheless they are. So if you order a custom length, will not only give you that first countersink at the proper distance from the edge, but the proper center to center as well. It's nice to have those holes in the proper location. It's also nice to have those holes already made for you from the factory, saving you the trouble, frankly, of doing it. The factory's cutting these from very long extrusion lengths anyway, say 14 feet, and this vinyl is probably on a roll of several thousand feet, so it's really no difference at all to us or to the manufacturer if it's a custom length. There is, or a specific length I should say. They are custom as they're all made to order, that's true. There's a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure that will allow you to view the V138 on the catalog page that shows a couple of sister or related products to it. Other things of interest are also on that page, although unrelated. There is finally a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all the Reese products that we sell, but a link to their product catalog so that you can review their comprehensive offering of all things commercial weather stripping related. I'm partial to Reese, and it's for a number of reasons. Quickly, I'm a fan of the quality of their dark bronze extrusion. I just simply like the color of their extrusion, their anodizing. Okay, I'm a fan of the thickness of the aluminum extrusion. I'm a fan of a lot of the features of their weather stripping. You can see that this threshold has these grooves or small serrations down in the end on both sides. That's really going to assist this staying put, lateral force pushing against the threshold. That allowing you to rest into with some additional surface area will help keep this in its original location. And you'll notice if you look at the product catalog on that link to the manufacturer's page, you'll notice that feature extend across many of their items. They've thought the process through of weather stripping and have engineered their products to suit the actual needs of what weather stripping is expected to perform at. Industry-leading ship times, excellent shipping times, fantastic customer service and technical support as well. Any questions on the Reese V138D, dark bronze anodized, quite narrow vinyl top threshold, or any other Reese product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.